Good afternoon. Welcome to Vistula Language Solutions. My name is Daniel Miller, and today we will have a short lesson about shopping expressions. Okay, so number one, the first thing I will do is introduce to you some very important expressions you need to know when you go shopping. So here are the expressions. Okay, how much is it? I'm just looking. Can I have the receipt? I would like to exchange this product. Can I have a shopping bag? How would you like to pay? Could you give me a refund? To pay in cash, to pay by credit card, to stand in line, or to stand in the queue. Okay, in line is American English, in the queue is more British English. To try something on, and to ask for the receipt, or to ask for the change. Okay, so these are some very important expressions you need to know when you go shopping. So maybe the first thing I will do is I will give you a little quiz now, okay? Okay, so now I have prepared for you a short quiz you can see here, and you have, on one side you have the expressions that we just introduced, and on the other side here you have the answers to these expressions. But it's like a little quiz. So, for example, you have number one, how much is it? And you have to match it. So, for example, is it A, can I help you, sir? It's strange. So, it's B, it's $20. Okay, so now if we go to number two, is how would you like to pay? Okay, so for example, do you think the answer would be like, can I help you, sir? Or do you have the receipt? So actually it's here. It's I would like to pay by credit card. And in English we say to pay by credit card. Number three, we have could I have the receipt? Okay. So you're asking for the receipt, the piece of paper that has the information about your purchase. So could I have the receipt? The answer would be, for example, is here. The receipt is in the bag. Here you are. Okay. And number four, I'm just looking, thank you. So now in the shop assistant would say something like, can I help you, sir? And you can say, for example, I'm just looking, thank you. Okay. So the shop assistant will say, can I help you, sir? You can say, I'm just looking, thank you. And that means you don't want to buy anything. You just want to look at things. Okay, number five, I would like to exchange this product. Okay, and the answer is here. The shop assistant will say, the first thing will say, they will say, do you have the receipt? And to exchange the product, it means that there is a problem with your product and you want a new product. Number six, could I have a shopping bag? Okay, because you want to put your things in a bag. So no problem. The shop assistant can say, oh, sorry, here you are. Okay, and number seven, could I have a refund? A refund means you are not happy with your product or there is a problem with it and you don't want a new product, but you want your money back. You want your money back. So the shop assistant will say, do you have the receipt again? Okay, always say, keep your receipts. Do not lose your receipts. And the next one can be, where is the cash desk or cash register? This is where you want to pay for your product, okay? So the shop assistant will say, it's right over there. It's right over there, they will say to you. And the number nine, where can I try this on? Because you don't know. Maybe it's too big, maybe it's too small. So the shop assistant will say to you, oh, of course you can. The changing rooms are right over there. So the place where you put on your new clothes to see if they are too big or too small. And number 10, can I have my change? The change is the money that is left over, the extra money after you pay for something. So the shop assistant will say, oh, sorry, here you are for your change. Okay, so these are the expressions here. And then one more thing, I'm going to give you a dialogue here. You have a dialogue between a customer and a shop assistant. So you have a short dialogue between a customer and a shop assistant. So you have A and B. Okay, so A says something and B the shop assistant says is $29.95. Okay? You have the next short dialogue. You have the customer asks a question and B says, the shop assistant says it's in the bag. You have the next dialogue. The customer asks a question and B says the changing rooms are right over there. The next one, the shop assistant will ask a question and the customer will say by credit card. The next one, you have the shop assistant says, can I help you, sir? And the customer says something. So what are the answers here? That is the question. Okay, and the answers are right here. So here is as a review, here are the answers. You have how much is it? It's $29.95. Can I have the receipt? It's in the bag. Where can I try this on? The changing rooms are right over there. How would you like to pay? By credit card. Can I help you, sir? I'm just looking. Thanks. Okay, so that is my short lesson about shopping expressions. I hope that it was interesting. Thank you.